If you're ready to join the Medelz community as a fan, here's how to get started. First, head over to medelz.com. On the top right corner of the homepage, click on the Register button and then select the Fan option since you're signing up as a fan. You'll be asked to fill in your basic details, your first name, last name, an active email address, a working phone number, and a strong password. Once you've entered everything, check the box to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then click the Register button. You'll receive verification code on your email. Simply paste the code into the required field and click to proceed. Once verified, you'll be redirected to Medelz homepage. Congrats, you're officially in. From here, you can start exploring and enjoying the amazing content shared by artists across the platform. You also have the option to personalize your profile by uploading a profile picture and cover image from the Edit Profile section. And if you ever feel inspired to share your own creations, whether it's music, dance videos, artwork, short films, fashion looks, or photography, you can switch your profile to an artist profile. To do that, simply complete your profile 100%. If you're not sure how to fully complete your profile, check out the video linked above or find the link in the description below. If you plan to post regularly, grow your audience, join competitions, or get featured on the platform, we highly recommend upgrading to an artist profile. It unlocks creator-specific tools, including better visibility, performance insights, and opportunities to be discovered by fans, brands, and judges across Medelz. Ready to share your talent with the world? Make the switch. But if you're just here to enjoy the work of other creators, the fan profile is perfect for you.